Hey, yeah, Greg the Wild Hippie again. Just going to give you another update on my tank that I've been building, and then we're going to go for a walk this afternoon. So I'll put you on the bench. Hang on. So yeah, this is my Tamiya Tiger 1. Done most of the weathering on it. You can't really see it very clearly, but I'm quite impressed with how it's coming out. Here's a couple of the chaps. I will take photographs again so you can see more clearly what's happened. But I am really impressed with how this kit has turned out, and yeah, thoroughly enjoyed it. Just waiting for the wash to dry, and then I'm going to add some mud and some rust chippings on it. Yeah, that's cool. So I'll put some photographs and then we're going for a walk. Hi again. Yeah, hope you enjoyed that update on my progress with the Tiger 1 tank. Just out for a ramble now. I'm going to go and check out the campsite I found for me and the missus. We've had a lot of rain recently, so I've got a funny feeling it might be a bit flooded, because we're hoping to go out tomorrow because the weather's going to be nice enough-ish. There's a little bit of rain predicted, but not as much as has been lately. So we're just going to yeah, go and see that. And also I stashed a bit of tarpaulin underneath the tree there. Be interesting to see whether or not it's still there. Yeah, if you're wondering about the hat, it was my granddad's. He died 11 years ago, and I was helping my mum move house last weekend, and I found it in a box, and so I've acquired it. So it's the new adventure hat. The badges, various training aeroplane type ones that were granddad's mum found. So I've selected my favourite ones and put them on the hat. Yeah, I like it. I don't care what you think. Nah. Well, along the route there's an old collection of abandoned farm buildings. I thought this time have a little explore. Pretty cool. Can't really see anything, unfortunately. I wonder, is it safe? No, I don't trust that. Right. Onwards into the main part. It's quite dilapidated. This would have been the old kitchen. I love that old cooker, look at that. No. Should have been the old larder. Oh, it's beautiful. Help me. Just another store. I should have brought my torch, but I wasn't expecting to be coming in there. Even got a telephone. Doesn't smell that bad in there. No, it's not damp. Lovely old beams. No sign of woodworm or anything. This one's Huge bathroom. Really pretty. That would have been. There's even cosy paper. Look at that. Shame there's no running water. It feels pretty secure. God, this place is huge. A little bit sensitive about being upstairs in an old house, but I think the floorboards will give me, bloody hell, it goes on for ages. Give me fair warning before they do go through. God, you could stage a epic horror movie in here. Oh, there's even a loft. I ain't going up there though. Stuff like that. Right, this is the room. Yeah, this is the room with downstairs the floor was really bowing and you can see it. That gorgeous fireplace. Fantastic. Settling back down into darkness. It's probably got a cellar on it somewhere. Yeah. Saying that. Oh, maybe not. Just where the wallpaper's peeling. Yeah, it's probably a cellar on this one. That's a look for another day. Anyway, back to walking. Well, I'm down at the campsite and I'm just looking at that water thinking that's polluted. It's got like that white sheen to it, and then as you pan around, look at that. What the hell is that? If that's not pollution, then I don't know what the hell is. That's disgusting. Oh. Mankind, you're a fudging parasite. Oh well, won't be able to use the water out of here for the time being. Feck's sake. But in other news, no one's been here from the look of it, and my handily stashed tarpaulin is exactly where I left it. But I think it's not too bad down here, but that slope which you come down to get to here is very, very slippery. I don't know whether or not the wife will be up for that. But yeah, apart from the pollution, it's unchanged. It's still a lovely, tranquil spot. I must say, I'm very impressed with my Crivet walking pole. Yeah, fully adjustable. Yeah, there's not much really to say about it other than got it from Lidl's for, I think it was $12.99. It came in a pair. Very good value for money. It's made my day a lot easier. I like it. Oh well, you can see it, but down there's even more pollution. And the froth is building up. And I spotted, where was it? There's even more of it somewhere. There, down there. See if I can zoom you in. Yeah, another great big pile of it. I'd love to know who was responsible for that. Make them drink it. But anyways, continue. Right, nearly home now. Gonna wrap this up and say the usual. If you liked it, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, leave me a comment. Yeah, and I'll see you on the next adventure. See you later.